Hello everyone, I'm Paru. Welcome to my pregnancy yoga and workout video series. Videos in this series were recorded from January 2019 until the end of September 2019, which is a day before my second daughter Injum was born. Yoga and workouts play an important role for keeping both mom and baby healthy and active. So, regular yoga and workouts are required every day during the process of pregnancy. Every Thursday for 1.5 months, I will be uploading pregnancy yoga and workout videos. I would request you all to go through the videos and post comment on them. Before getting started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button on my videos and please share it with one friend. Enjoy. Thank you.